Alright, Ryan and Daddy back at New Park.
Yeah, so we haven't
Like
done
back in the day.
We haven't done this. It seems like 50 years on the YouTube channel,
Mm-hmm.
but actually it was just like 3 or even 2 years. So, anyway. Ouch. Touching that. And this pretty impressive. Probably on some YouTube videos you can find. Because sometimes the storage on my dad's phone. Yeah. Sometimes it's just like YouTube videos. Underway. Let's end the video here, and then we will continue with another one so that we don't really waste storage.
Okay, bye.
Bye. We're back. We got all of the boring stuff out of the way. Dad, you know, what do you call it? Building the ramp. That was for me to learn the circuit board. Yeah. You remember, so we brought in, I think we did make a YouTube video back in the day. We're here, but I don't know if you remember, we used to flood the dump truck. Just in case you've been asking questions about what I have been doing on the dump truck, I've been flooding it. And it's time for another overload of flooding the dump truck. A bunch of rocks like to fall on my name tag. Where about we get that off?
From the back, take it off. Are you want?
Yeah. What if I take off that? Okay, should be better. Anyway, that's wheel loader. Surely it's no match for the dump truck. Hi YouTubers, I'm back here. Just splitting so many videos. Yeah, yep, this always used to be an issue. Pulling the dump truck off the ramp. Full of his weight. That's why excavators they are. Yeah, we need to make this area a bit more level. Right? Is that why excavators they are? To help me refill the dump truck when he spills. And look, we lost all of the sand compactor, really? Okay, that's good. Anyway, wait, where's the unloading zone? Where should we make it?
I have an idea.
Anyway, here we finish here. Doing this. Now let's head to the site. We did some of this way over there. See way over there? Yeah. We did all of that off video. This is our first time when we did this. Right, Dad? Like that. Anyway, let's get this dump truck moving. Ooh, look. Both tires are moving. What? Oh, that was a close one. We need to make the landscape a bit better. Yeah, if you're going to go slightly lower hills. Yep, you backs up to here. And then look, he dumps out into the mountain.
Yes. Perfect. All right. You're really clearing that dig site, buddy.
Anyway, let's get back to the site where we were, and now we have done the loop. Now this is some good news. We have done the loop. Now just time to compact and make the tire tracks correct here. Great. Now we have those. Let's fix the landscape when he lastly derailed. Wow. Yep, things are making the path. Anyway, let's continue. So here we continue with here. We need to fix the positioning. Oh, we need to fix this ramp. Don't worry, at some point when I flood this dump truck, gonna start overboarding. And anyway, on the way up too. That's okay. That used to happen to me a lot of times back in the day, right? Falling in the sand. Actually, sand is amazing on the other hands, doesn't it? You probably really like how I make these clips. Just actually, the sand will level the levelment.
Sit down, buddy. Get comfy. Why are you standing up? It's harder.
I'm great. Oh, that was a close one. Oh, Dad, you remember what excavator does? All of the overboard loads on the other side. He digs
My hand
up.
is busy filming now, buddy. Otherwise, of course, I would help with the excavator. Pick up all this stuff, compact it. You know what I mean?
Oh, look, I'm extending it from way over here. Yep.
Okay, I think I'm out of memory here.
It got stuck. This always used to happen in the middle. I need to add some
Garbage
salt.
man.
Oh, you also use to see it on those in the back. I can today too. I remember one used to go straight and then we used to see another one and they used to tan. Anyway, let's finish this.
Okay.
Let's get this load. Okay, this time, what about you pause the video and load